Riley? Sit down,
Come here.
please.
Come here.
You're not being polite.
No, if you don't, come here. Right now. Stand up. We're going to go sit.
Good job, buds.
That's a fancy little camera.
It's just a basic camera, and I have a client who puts crystals on stuff, like on anything. Cell phones, iPods. If you're interested at all, I'll give you her number. She could use the work.
How are you?
Good floating, Bear. That is a beautiful float. Good job.
Here, when you have a lollipop, we have to sit nice, okay?
Good job, buddy.
I was going to go to the wall, but we're going outside to the pool here. Here. Go get the wall right here. Go get that wall.
Good job.
You're not being polite.
Good job, Bear. Good job. You're doing great, buddy. You're doing it all on your own. Good job. Good job. Honey, you're doing so good.
Nice.
Good job. Yay! Good job. Good job.
Right there, we should get the wall right here.
Good job, buddy. Go. Good job. Go. He's having fun. He's like, yay. Whee. Get your float.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Okay, do something. Nice.
Good job.
Good job, man. Bro, he's ready to go for more. Let's take a little rest. I feel like I'm putting through a marathon here.
He really is gotten to the point where he really likes coming. We were here first and he was just wanting to get in that water. Yay! So much fun. You're gonna show Mommy, get that wall. Good job.
There, will you come this way to me?
Yay! Do you think he'll remember it, like, on Friday if he went all the way back there? And do you think he could come all the way to the wall again himself, even though he's had 2 days off?
All the way from back here?
That's what he did Friday. He went all the way back.
Probably could if he's motivated too, yeah.
Okay.
Ready, Bear? Time to go up.
Let's go! Go, Bear, go! Take a break. Good job. Go get that wall. Go get that wall. You see it? Go get it. Go get it. There it is. You can do it. Okay, take a break. Get some air.
Wow, he did really well. Good job, man.
Good job, buddy. There it is.
Oh, and it's tough to turn right there.
Good job. You did it. You did it.
Yay for Bear!
I am so proud of you, Bear. Go. Okay, don't lose the wall. Go get it.
Really well.
He's like, where is that wall?
Come over here, Bear. Come over here. Nice.
You see it? You gotta find the wall.
That's a hard one to get. Let's go.
You can do it. There you go. There you see it. You see it. Reach those little hands up.
You need air before you get that one though, huh?
You can do it, buddy. Yeah! Oh, one-handed. You got it. Kind of.
That would have been tough. Let's try it this way.
There you go. Good job. Good job. I am so proud of you. You're a little fish. You're mommy's little fish. Yay! Yay! You want to go again? Bearbird, you want more? Okay. That's his little, he's got the more sign down. Well, he's determined. Look at that.
Really long swim.
Good job. You are one determined little guy. Oh. I'm just so proud. Go. Get some air. You are so determined. You are crazy. What? You are not really a fish, Bear. You might have to get some air sometimes. Good floating.
I need you to come sit over here right now.
Okay, 2 more and you're done, Bear. 2 more.
Bear, you want more? You want more? Okay.
So is Riley swimming instead then? I'm guessing. Instead of Kieran.
Riley, Mama asked you to sit down. You're not being polite.
Aaron, couldn't be more proud. I cannot even tell you. I am bursting right now.
He's looking good.
He is doing.
I don't want to do clothes this week just
Okay.
because of it's a weird week because I'm not here Thursday and
Okay.
we'll do next week.
Okay. You are so determined. You are just so determined. He's loving it. Go, go, go. We're playing in the water.
I'm gonna give you total freedom there.
He's loving. He's doing so good. I'm just so proud. Good job. He is just having fun in this pool. Swimming, looking around.
Riley, you go next, okay? So you need to be good.
You gonna get that wall? You got it, you got it, you got